Alright, so in this video I am going to be teaching you practically how I was able to edit this video you are seeing on my screen. Alright, you can see how it started. Alright, I'm going to show you practically step by step how I was able to edit this video, how I was able to put all the bed and change the sky background. Alright, so this is the previous, this is how it was earlier. This is how the video was earlier. This is the original video, but this is how I transformed the video. Alright, so we are going to be going into the action. I'm going to show you how I put the bed, how I change the sky background, and all of that. Alright, so what we are going to be using for this class is an app called VN. Alright, I'll just go and type VN. I have VN here. VN, you can see that this is the, if you don't have the app, go to Play Store, you are going to install the app, or you go to your Apple Store and install the app. So I will simply click open. It is already open. So the next thing I want to do is to go and add. If you are not using, if you are here, you are just coming new to this VN, you are not going to see all of these files, but because I have been using it, that is why you are seeing this. So you just go to plus button. You can see this at the down icon, you see plus button, click on it, then you'll be asked to input new project. So simply click on your new project. I'll click on new project. Alright, so when I come to this place, what I want to do is to import the video that I want to use for the class. Alright, so I'll simply click to go to my all, where I have the video I want to use is camera. So I want to scroll to search for the video. Alright, so here is the video that I want to use. Alright, here is the video. So you want to make sure, alright, it is here. It just entered because I've already I've already have it here, so that is why it was easy. If it was your first time of importing a video here, it's going to take some seconds to load. Alright, so the next thing I want to do, don't forget, if you want to import, if you want to edit this kind of video, you need to shoot the video on a place that has a sky. Alright, that the sky is very okay, you know, although this one has some trees around, but it's not going to stop anything. So let's play it. Okay, I think this is where the video stopped. I think this is where the video stopped. So what I want to do now, and the video is long, so I'll just cut off the rest and keep the one that I want to use. So to cut, I'll simply click on split. You can see split at the bottom. Then I'll delete this particular one. I'll click on it, you see delete. I'll click on delete the other one, the watermark, and then play it. Alright, so the first thing we want to do right now is to impute the background, that is the sky. Alright, to change the sky, that is the first thing we want to do. To do that, simply come to this place where you have overlay. Alright, although overlay is not written on it, it's just the place where you have after test, the next one is overlay. Alright, the first one is music, you have test, and then you have overlay. This is overlay. When you click on it, you'll be asked to you go to video / photos, click on it, then you go to photos. This is photos. The background we want to use is this particular background. You can see that background over there. Alright, this is the background we are going to be using. You can see the background. That is what we are going to be using for the sky. Alright, if you need this background, you can actually get it from I have done a video that will teach you how you can get free background, free images, and all of that will now have issues with copyright. Alright, so but I'm going to leave all of these tools, all of these images at the description. Alright, see the description so that you can be able to download them. So I'll just drag it to cover this place. So the next thing I want to do now is to go to blend. Alright, after dragging this image now to cover the video, alright, then you go to at this down button, you you are going to be seeing all of these tools. So just go to the place where you have blending. I'll click on blending. Alright, when you come to blending, you want to click on multiply, alright, which is the third one, multiply. Alright, you can see that when you click on multiply, you just click on, if you can click on any good, whether the middle one or so. After that, the next thing, let's play so that you see. Alright, you can see the image stopped there, so let's drag it to the end of the video. Oh, sorry for that. Alright, we have dragged it to the end of the video. So the next thing at this point, the next thing we also want to do is to impute the sky that we used earlier, that you saw earlier. Those sky, the place where you have all of those bed. Alright, you can see there is no bed here. Watch as I bring the bed now. So still go to the place where you have overlay, which is the third element after music. Then click on this, go to this place. Then this time around you have to, okay, we already on photos, actually. Okay, on videos, we already on video, so pick this element. All right, this one on green. Like I said earlier, if you need all of this, I'm going to leave it at the description. All right, I'm going to leave them at the description. But if you can't find them on the description, just send me a WhatsApp message through the phone number that you are seeing on your screen. All right, and you are surely going to have them. Okay, so I'll just drag it to the top, all right, and spread it out. Okay, so right now what I want to do, all right, just adjust it. Just that you can keep it anyway because you are still going to remove the background. All right, now you can see that the bed is on blue green background. All right, what you want to do now is to remove the green background by clicking on it. Then you come to chroma key. You can see chroma key. Just check all of these tools at the down. You are going to see chroma key, although it's written chroma. All right, so just click on chroma, the place where you have chroma. Once you click on it, you can see the green have been selected and it's totally off. All right, the green. Then you click on good. All right, you can see the beds are here right now. All right, it is very, very simple. So our work is done. The next thing you want to do is you can add, I know by now you already know how to add background sound. You can just go to music. If you want to add effects, okay, sorry, there's something that I did not show you. Now if you watch this, you are going to find out that there was transition. This sky did not just cover everywhere immediately. That we added transition to the initial one that I showed to you. So just click on that background image, which is this one. You can see that the one that I just highlighted. So I'll simply go to, when you click on it, you simply come to you come to motion at this top where you have all these these tools that are on this blue background. So you are going to see where you have motion, motion. Click on motion, then you come to gradient. All right, this one is top gradient. All right, if you watch, this is the particular gradient, this is the particular transition that we use. So you just adjust it, adjust the duration so that it doesn't come immediately. You can see that it's covered gradually. All right, so that's it. You click on good, then play it again. You can see it comes gradually and then cover the whole place, and all the birds are flying. All right, so this is very simple. This is how I was able to create this. All right, so if you have enjoyed this video, if you have learned something, of course you have learned something, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel, like this video so that YouTube can also recommend the video to more people, and also drop your comment at the comment section. Let me know how this video has been of help to you. All right, thank you. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see this kind of video in the future. make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the notification bell to all so that you can receive subsequent videos. And like I said earlier, if you need this green background, the bed background, or this bed, if you need them, and you need the main, you need the sky changer, all right, that background. If you also need that, just if you can't find it on the description, which I'm going to leave that there, but if you can't find it, just drop a comment at the comment section and I will attend to you, or simply come to my my WhatsApp through the phone number that is now showing on your screen, and you are going to have it. All right, thank you, see you in the next video. All right.